Hello everyone, this is me Gavnexl. I'm back again with another video on this channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you guys this subscribe reminder animation template for After Effects. So in this video I'm going to give away this subscribe reminder animation template for free. So I'm just going to right now in this video showcase you guys how you guys can pretty much easily edit that and can use on your videos. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video and let me show you guys that right now. So as you guys can see right now on my computer screen, there is a subscribe reminder animation which I have made for you guys. So I have also made a video tutorial where I have shown you guys that how you guys can pretty much easily make that animation step by step from scratch. So if you want to learn that, then make sure to check out the video. The video's link will be in the description and the card will be also available right now on this video. So you guys make sure to check that out if you want to learn how you can create this cool animation. So right now in this video I'm going to show you guys how you guys can edit this template and can use on your videos. So without wasting much time, let's start editing that video. So as you can see right now I have opened my composition and that animation will be something like this as you can see on the screen right now. So for that, what you have to do, as you can see after opening this project file, you will see everything right over here. So this is the render composition, which is this. So as you can see, if we see the render composition, it will look something like this. When you will render this, you can just pretty much easily put that on any video of yours and then you can pretty much easily use that. So after that, what you have to do, you just have to pretty much easily change the text and the logo. So for changing the text, what you have to do, you just have to go to subscribe reminder, and from over there you can just pretty much easily change this text and can use whatever your channel name or your channel's content. So then as you can see, you can just pretty much easily change these texts, and for changing your channel's icon, you just have to right click on this replace logo / icon, and then you just have to go to replace footage and then replace it with your icon. So as you can see, for example, I have changed that icon with something like this. So as you can see, if you play that animation right now, it is customized for your channel. You can just replace your channel logo or your channel icon, and you can even change the name and your channel tagline, and then you can just pretty much easily use that. So then you just have to go to the render composition, and then as you can see, it is right now looking very great. So you can just pretty much easily render this in alpha channel and can just pretty much easily use in any video of yours. So this template is for free, so you can just go to the link in the description and you can pretty much easily download this project file and can edit and use on your YouTube videos. And another thing I would like to tell you guys, that make sure to watch the video tutorial, the whole process of making this animation, so you guys might learn a thing or two. So that was the video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you guys did, then make sure to leave a like and comment down below if you want to say something, or if you want to share your opinions, or if you want to request another video or another project file. And if you are new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe for more awesome and helpful videos in the future. So as always, enjoy. See you guys in the next video.